Jude.
Yeah, and Josh, of course, was telling me yesterday, okay, girl, so you got to get out there at a certain time. And I went out, I think I was an hour late, but in Beaverton, I couldn't see anything.
Just too many city lights around here, basically.
Yes.
If it wasn't the city lights, it was probably the cloud coverage that stopped you from seeing it. So there were a lot of things kind of fighting against you,
It wasn't
Jenny.
my fault. No. Yes.
Rather than storm chasing, which you would if you could,
Yes.
you went northern lights chasing last night.
That I did. And, you know, I went out to the Savi Island area, really dark, and there were a lot of folks out there doing just the same thing.
You're only kind of good at what you do.
Yeah. Well, and so many of you at home are fantastic photographers, sending us some incredible photographs of the northern lights seen in your area, anywhere from the Estacada area to the Silverton location. Just some great shots that you all were able to send us. Now tonight, kind of a lackluster night as far as the northern lights go, because the cloud coverage is going to be widespread once again. It never hurts to look to the northern horizon, but I don't think you'll be able to see anything other than the clouds. And just as we approach the sunset hour, not likely to see our rare comets. But we got several more evenings until about October 24th to potentially see that sight. Again, the cloud coverage to blame as we really start to see the northern light trend start to track its way further to the north. That is all depending, though, on if we see another surge of energy come from the sun, but that not likely tonight. So no need to poke your head outside to see any of those northern lights, as the cloud coverage is still widespread. As we take a live look over downtown Portland on this Friday afternoon, 66 degrees. That's where we currently sit. Our winds out the west at about 5. Sunset tonight, 6:31. Widespread cloud coverage seen through the Portland-Vancouver metro area, maybe producing a single raindrop or two, but I think that is as lucky as you will get anywhere from the coast to the Cascades as we see mild temperatures for the rest of tonight. But the cloud coverage lackluster in the rain department, not giving us any moisture with a lot of goose eggs there through the I-5 corridor. But for the rest of this evening, expecting to slide back into the upper 50s by about midnight, with keeping those mostly cloudy skies. Hey, it's Friday and it's high school football night. That's where we are expecting to see, again, those cloudy skies once again remain. Temperatures sliding back to the low 60s by about halftime, so go ahead, pack that light jacket, as our futurecast does paint a bit of a dry picture for us the rest of this evening. It's tomorrow morning we start to break down that cloud coverage, return the sunshine, and in turn bringing back those warmer than average temperatures, sitting above average by nearly 10 degrees in many cases. That puts us this weekend into the sweet spot of the mid to upper 70s. This could potentially be our final nice, dry, and sunny weekend of the autumn season, as a ridge of high pressure continues to build over the western half of the country. But then we start to shake things up as we approach the middle of next week. This low pressure system with the trough dives its way further to the south, bringing not only the shower potential back, but some fall-like temperatures. We're talking about daytime highs into the 50s for the valley locations, and it dips even lower than that with the snow elevation level down to almost 5,000 feet by the time we get to Thursday and Friday. And there is available moisture, so we could potentially see some of our first few snowflakes falling over the high terrain as we work our way into next week. But today, only expected to still maybe within the next hour or two to climb into the low 70s. But for the rest of this weekend, it's sunny. It's also dry. And it's warm, mid 70s. Our average this time of year should be in the mid to upper 60s. We'll get to that by the time Tuesday rolls around. That's when our next rain chance starts to ramp up. That takes us into the middle of the week. We're even talking about the potential for some thunderstorm activity by Thursday, as those, daytime highs are in the upper 50s.
You know what? I see that forecast and I'm like, hey, sweater weather is coming. It's about time.
It is.
Vary up the wardrobe a little bit.
Yes. And you know, we've got our boots and our sweaters. It's just, we're ready for it.
Yep. Start digging it out now.
I know.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks, Josh. Hey, coming up, years after its initial